Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by establishing reliable references. Pick a corner as origin and measure clockwise. Use a laser for long runs and tape for short. Write numbers as you go so you don't guess later. Measure walls, then note door and window positions relative to the origin because these affect wall cuts and furniture placement. Once done, transfer scaled lengths to graph paper using your scale ruler so the drawing will be accurate and usable. Now you draft the interior. Translate each measured wall onto graph paper using your scale. Draw wall thickness for clarity so utilities align. Mark doors with swing arcs and windows with clear symbols and place fixed elements, cabinets, toilets, because they determine circulation. Dimension major rooms and indicate clearances like 0, 9 or 36 for key pathways so installations meet function. Make sure to check adjacency. Finish by refining the drawing. Ink over pencil or import to CAD for crisp lines, then label room names, scales, and a north arrow so orientation is clear. Annotate materials and fixture schedules to guide builders because clear notes reduce errors on site. Before calling it done, cross-check cumulative wall lengths against original measurements. If totals mismatch, remeasure the problematic wall segment. That single discrepancy often fixes most layout errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.